Ever wondered how a piece of technology could change the face of warfare? What about a drone system named the Shahed? This Iranian-born marvel, with its distinctive features, has been a game-changer on the battlefield, especially after some tweaks made by Russian hands. The Shahed Drone System, specifically the Shahed 136, is a loitering munition, also known as a kamikaze drone. This drone is designed to linger in the sky until it locates its target, then it self-destructs, taking the target down with it. The Shahed's flight endurance is an impressive 24 hours, and it has a range of up to 2,000 kilometers. This means it can reach targets far beyond the reach of traditional artillery. The Shahed carries a warhead packed with explosives and uses a combination of GPS and electro-optical or infrared cameras for guidance. The Shahed drone system is not just another piece of military tech. It is a game-changer in the field of conflict and warfare. The Shahed drone system is not just known for its origin and features, but also its capabilities and variants. First off, the Shahed drone system has the ability to launch long-range strikes that can reach targets far beyond the range of traditional artillery. This means that it can potentially strike from beyond enemy air defenses, taking adversaries by surprise. Now, that's a tactical advantage. In addition, the Shahed drone system employs a strategy known as swarming tactics. This involves launching multiple drones at once to overwhelm air defenses and increase the chance of hitting a target. It's akin to a swarm of bees attacking an intruder. You wouldn't want to be on the receiving end, would you? But there's more. The Shahed drone system is known for its ability to carry out surprise attacks. Thanks to its small size and low-altitude flight, it can be difficult to detect. This makes it an effective tool for sudden, unexpected strikes. Now, let's talk about cost. In comparison to traditional options, the Shahed drone system offers an inexpensive way to engage targets. This cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for militaries operating on a budget. Moving on to the variants of the Shahed drone system. The Shahed 136 is the original Iranian version. It's propeller-driven, which means it's slower than the other versions. Then there's the Garnered, which is a Russian modification with a reported jet engine for increased speed and altitude. And finally, the Shahed 238, a recently unveiled jet-powered Iranian version. It's faster than its predecessors and potentially has a longer range. With its capabilities and variants, the Shahed drone system is a formidable presence on the battlefield. From long-range strikes to swarming tactics, surprise attacks to cost-effectiveness, it's a versatile tool that brings a lot to the table. Whether it's the Shahed 136, Garnered, or Shahed 238, each variant offers unique features that make it stand out. However, like any piece of technology, the Shahed drone system comes with its own set of considerations. The first is the limited payload. Though it carries explosives for self-detonation on target, the Shahed drone system's payload is considerably smaller when compared to larger missiles or aircraft. This inherently limits its destructive potential, making it less effective against fortified or heavily armored targets. Another consideration is the system's vulnerability. While the Shahed's small size and low-altitude flight can make it difficult to detect, it's not invincible. Advanced air defense systems and electronic countermeasures can intercept and neutralize these drones. The use of swarming tactics can increase the chance of hitting a target, but it also increases the likelihood of interception by a well-equipped adversary. Perhaps the most critical consideration, though, is the ethical concerns associated with the Shahed drone system. The use of kamikaze drones or loitering munitions raises serious questions about proportionality and the targeting of civilians. These drones can be launched from a distance, making it hard to ensure that only legitimate military targets are hit. This aspect of drone warfare is a subject of ongoing debate and scrutiny in the international community. Yet, despite these considerations, the Shahed drone system remains a significant factor in modern warfare. Its long-range strike capability, relatively low cost, and potential for surprise attacks make it a formidable tool on the battlefield. It's important to remember that the Shahed drone system, like any weapon, is just a tool. Its effectiveness and ethical implications depend largely on how and where it's used. The real challenge lies in ensuring that such technologies are used responsibly and in accordance with international law. The Shahed drone system, with all its strengths and weaknesses, continues to be a significant factor in modern warfare. This drone system is an example of how technology is not only shaping our lives, but also the way we engage in conflict.